The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Steven, Dijon, Jeff, Jacques, fellas. Jim, good morning. Deepak, Chris, John, fellas, good morning, good morning. We are Tuesday, July 6th. Good morning, Rich. Hope you guys had a great 3-day weekend. Excuse me. And enjoyed the time off. And maybe themselves. Inflation is crazy. They are not going to raise interest rates. They can't. I mean, they may eventually, but they're not raising interest rates. 5,000 buyers in gold. Well over 1,800. And we're just going to keep going higher. Let's see what we got here, guys. Quickly take a look. VIX on Friday maybe it was yesterday, was putrid. Futures market was open, but no better. S&P VIX, it's up 5% at 1586. That was cash. Futures is up 0.4% at 1732. Currently, the futures markets, Dow futures are down 33. S&P futures are off 2 handles. NASDAQ's up 20. Russell's up 2 points. Gold is just blowing the roof off. NASDAQ's traded 61,000, so volume is decent. Buyers in copper. Obviously, buyers in gold. Sellers in crude currently. We just came into the low. I do like crude long, though. It's into resistance here, but I think we pop back up. On the daily, crude just tagged 3 standard deviations on the daily. So maybe a retracement is in order. Sellers in the ES. Buyers as well in silver, DAX, Euro. We'll check the dollar in a second. See what the dollar's doing. Yeah, really nothing. Very little movement. Guys, for some reason, I'm not getting soybean data. I can't get soybeans. Don't know why. In any event, we're here. Back after a long weekend. Let's make some money early. Be done by 11 and get on with our day, fellas. If anybody has any questions, holler. Oh, you don't have soybeans either. Okay, maybe it's a Ninja issue. I thought it was me. But, all right. Soybeans market isn't open today on July. Why is the market not open, Patrick? Apparently neither is coffee. It opens at 9:30. Okay. I guess that's it. All right, fellas. Let me read the disclaimer, and we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the futures and options markets, do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rules 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There is your disclaimer. If you guys are here on trial, concluding from last week, good morning and welcome. Or at least welcome back. Got an offer on them here, 12 and 13. If you guys want to take some risk off on gold, you can take some off here. Call it 12.8. Be 17 ticks on. There's crude. First target on crude is 04. 04 on CL. Trying to go from 11.1 to 12.9 on CL, gold, if you guys want to take some risk off at any point. It's your prerogative. DAX took off. Canceled NASDAQ. If crude can get up through 96, it goes. Gold looks like it may pull back now. We didn't get to target. Gave 13 ticks. We could pull all the way back to 8.5. There's crude, almost a target. Trade crude as you see fit. Trade crude as you see fit. I don't know what it wants. Kayla, I wish I knew. Got this unfinished auction on crude at 85, which I don't particularly like. I want to be ahead of this guy here. Big buyer here, 98, 249 buyers at 98. And here's GC. Missed that first target by 5 ticks. $300 buyers at 98. Again, trade them as you see fit, fellas. I have targets. Gold did not get to my target. It gave a nice trade, did not go to target. Now it's underwater. We do have a 3-tick sequential decline here in crude, 364, 154.28. I got an open auction here at the bottom of the candle. I'm going to get a lower high open in 10, 11 seconds. So trade them as you see fit. Gold is a little jiggy. Come on, crude. Work through this little seller imbalance area. Crude has to break right here. We're good. If we break the whole number, it's there it is. Come on. 1 tick shot. Hit target, no fill. Hit target, no fill. Seriously? Hit target, no fill. 10 contracts traded. Here comes your gold. Come on, crude. Rat bag. Got it. Target filled on crude. Gold is 4 ticks from that first target. No, look at my screen, Patrick. No. 1 tick to target. Come on, you got it. Target filled on gold. Target filled on gold. Target filled on crude. I'm not buying NASDAQ up here. This thing looks like it wants to go. I mean, this is telling me 800. 14.8. Whee! Let them buy it. I'm not buying it. Everybody good on gold and crude? You guys good on gold and crude? I guess 15,000. I guess. Just bizarre. Bizarro. Thank you, Jacques. Are you folks good on gold and crude? Or did you folks kill your trades or not take them? Okay. I mean, I'm hoping now to get to, let me see where this stupid thing can go. 15.4. How come, Ray? I'll be out on crude. Well, guys, it is surely your prerogative to wait until 9:30. It is your prerogative not to trade. But understand that I may not put on any more trades. I mean, this is 2 trades. If this runner were to close out here, I'd be up 1,000. I don't need to trade. I'll still call trades, but I may not put any on. So if you're waiting for me to put trades on the screen, you may wait until Wednesday. $15.4. I don't think we get above that. We're stuck at red. I mean, big red here. I am out. I'm out of gold. I'm out of gold. I could be dead wrong. And I mean, 15.4 is the next target I have, which is R4, and it could blow right through red. If we can get on a daily cleanly through this 15-16 area, gold can trade to, if it trades to the top of the channel, 1900. 19 hundo. $18.97. There's my 15.4 target. This is a big area on the daily time frame. If you're joining us late, Jeff, good morning. Marco, we have taken 2 trades. We are up 860 at this point. And given that it is summer trading, I'm not inclined to do a ton. I encourage you guys that ordinarily join us late, come in at 9:15, 9:30, or just ahead of the open, to come in early in the summer. Goldbot took a trade while I was at breakfast. Took a short, got first target, and then gave back some on the runner on the trail. Hey, Dave. Yeah, looks like we're going to go long. I'll wait till the market opens here. In any event, yeah, let's see, we got about a minute and a half. SPY. Let's see what we got going on here, guys. Anybody have any questions before we go? In 30 seconds. 30 seconds, fellas. NASDAQ's into support here, but ahead of the open, I'm not touching anything. We are off. ES is bid. There goes NASDAQ. So much for a pullback. God, I hate when they do this right at the rip. We're going up, fellas. Nothing I can do with the NASDAQ, guys. Nothing I have any interest in doing with it. Again, we took 2 nice trades early this morning. I'm not interested in chasing anything. So don't. Soybeans are above yellow. You're going to get a long in soybeans if anybody want. Damn it. That went quick. Jeez, look at this blow up in soybeans. At this point, I have no idea. 50. We may not even see it. Look at soybeans up and down. Man, you better be quick. I've got bots on, guys, but gold's the only one taking a trade so far. Nothing I can do with NASDAQ or want to do. So much for that long on RTY. Wow. You see why I don't trade that rat bag? I'd rather trade soybeans. Seriously, it's gold is long. Yep, gold is long. Four, Ray, four. Yep. I've got nothing I'm interested in doing, fellas. If soybeans reverses, I'll take a short on soybeans, but that won't be unless we come below 51. I would also watch corn for those of you guys that may trade corn. NASDAQ, I need a pullback, guys, down around 37. It's got to get above 37 quarter, and we'll go to 39, then 41. There we go. 30. It's at 37 half. If it breaks up here, we're going to get 39. Trade them as you see fit, fellas. We're going to have 38 in the way. A trade ES if you're in it as you see fit. Okay? Watch soybeans for a long above 47. If you want to trade soybeans, that's your entry now. You can close that. Order canceled. ES, useless. Just useless. Still watching soybeans for a break up. Come on, ES. God, so slow. We got to 37.50. $10 into this thing, and the ES is already slow as molasses. I'm watching soybeans. ES, I'm losing interest in this trade. Soybeans, soon as it comes up through 47, if you guys are interested in trading soybeans. I want it through yellow. It's given a long signal. 44.75 if you want to take a whack at it where it is. NASDAQ. Let's see here. 37 I'll buy. 37. ES, I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Break even trade. Done with it. Waste of time. $37 is what I like on NASDAQ.
Order submitted.
Gonna get 37. At least yet.
Order canceled.
And there's our bounce, what looks like on the ES. $39 was our target one. If anybody stayed with ES, then 41. Then 41. 39, then 41. You do have a small long here on the NASDAQ at 54.50. Cancel that.
Order canceled.
That's done. YM is going to give you a long, probably about 600, 601. If anybody wants to take a whack at that.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Soybeans has been a monster short. Crude is trying to turn up. We'll give you a long about 83 is what it looks like. Guys, welcome to summer trading. I encourage you all to be here at 8 a.m. If you do not wish to be here at 8 a.m., that of course is your choice, but I am in no hurry to take a trade. I'm up 86 ticks from 2 pre-market trades. I'm good with that. Anybody take the long on the NASDAQ at 54? We do have tomorrow the FOMC minutes. Okay. Copper I have at September. What month are you trading, Rick? Yeah, we're down to a snail's pace is right. What month do you have, Rick? Wait for pullbacks, guys. We're coming down on the SPYs. I'm not watching the Qs yet. Let's see what Qs are doing. Yeah, they're hanging in there, 359. You have July. Yeah. September, brother. September. I've been on September for at least a week.
Order submitted.
Still like that 37. It may not come below 41. If you guys want to try 41, I'll wait for 37 or take no trade. Yes, moving a little lower. Gold is Bidsky. Italy plays today in soccer, for those of you guys that may care. Red Sox, second best record in baseball. 4.5 up on Tampa. Mets still in first place coming into the All-Star break. Nobody saw that coming. Guys, I have no trades. 37, I'm interested. Short of that, I've got no trades. We could come down to 21, but there's quite a bit of support, 38 area. Crude, I missed it. Long, 78. I wasn't paying attention. I would try oh my gosh. Apple's up 272, Facebook down 42 cents, Tesla down $17. Netflix up 79 cents, Nvidia blowing the roof off. Up 1276. Chipotle down 6 bananas. Google up 551. They're buying Zoom again. Amazon up $84. I'll try crude long here. 92, 93.
Order submitted. Order fill.
If this gets above 96, it's going to blow. Crude above 96 blows. Just letting you guys know. Above 96, it's going to melt straight up. That's its resistance. There goes gold. Soybeans can't do squat. I won't let crude come down much further. You scumbag. Has to hold 72. NASDAQ will not come down
Order canceled.
and give me an entry. Come on, crude. Go get through 96 and blast off. Let me see crude. Let me just take a look at another chart. Stop has to be 35. That's the real stop. That's not for me.
Order fill.
I'm out. I don't care what it does. I'm out. I'll take 96 on a move up. I'm going to try a short actually now on crude.
Order fill.
Down to 35. $96 stop. I'm not sure what's creating such chop in crude. Come on, I don't want to see this thing above really 66. Come on down. It should come to 40 anyways, 41. $6,800 net sellers in crude. Yeah, I do too. There's some crap going on with OPEC. The UAE and Saudi. I can't take it long unless it goes through 96. Yeah, I read that down. Doesn't want to break lower, doesn't want to break up. Crude sitting basically right at entry. ES moving lower, YM has moved lower, RTY has moved much lower, and NASDAQ still hanging in there. A little bit of support right here at 43. You guys may want to take 43 as target one. I can get you 46. It just won't break. There's 45. 2 ticks. There it is. Target filled. Now it's free. This should break down to 24. My stop is awfully tight, so I may get nothing out of it. I have no long unless it goes through 96. Or pulls back to 73.90. New day high in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ target is 88. Here's soybeans if anybody wants to take a shot at soybeans.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Filled 2.
Order filled.
Okay. Crude's going to be out momentarily. Crude's just hanging out in about a 4 or 5 tick range, guys. Whatever this spat is kind of keeping this price action capped fairly small range.
Stop.
Okay, out on crude. If anybody is in soybeans and you want a couple $100, you got it. 300 bucks. 375. Trade them as you see fit. 450. Come on, one more pop. 450. Come on, let's go.
Target filled.
I took 2 off. 2 are off. Now I'd buy NASDAQ 57 on a pullback.
Stop filled.
Out on beans. Gonna get another short, probably down around 27.50 if you guys want to try to hit a short now on soybeans. YM's getting punched. Anybody have any questions? Guys, we're pretty slow. It's only 10:12 and we're really slow on a Tuesday after a long holiday in July. But we are green. Crude. Looks like crude wants to pop now. My entry, guys, would be about 97. Target 1 would be 18. Target 2 would be 75.58. Reach your daily goal. Nice job, Marco. Nice job. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Pop. No buyers. Come on. Get back above 58.50. Let's go. There's 58 quarter. There we go. Come on. We're sticking at 62. If we can get above 62, we'll get 60. I'm going to take 63 as target 1. 63. Come on. Or at least try to.
Target filled.
Got it. 63. Target off. Now it's free. Okay. Fellas, you guys good?
Order canceled.
Killed crude. Let's see if we can get to 75. Thank you, Chris. Come on, NASDAQ. long on ES at 27 to 29. Man, I don't care about 2 points on the ES. That's what I think of the ES. 10 contracts. That's it? No 30, 40, 50 today? Guys, this is a oh my gosh. Well, you still made money. You made 130. You made what? $4,000 on that trade, Chris? Come on, man. Yeah, well, woulda, coulda, shoulda. Come on. We're about 4 or 5 ticks away from getting a long signal anyways. Yeah. Hindsight is definitely, I trade best in hindsight. All right, guys. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. Puts me over 1,000, 1,097. Guys, the markets are really quiet today. It's not a fast-paced market. We're coming down. I still like 37 as another level. I mean, her levels are dynamic, guys. There's a swing. If you look, you've got a swing at 2650 that has to break. If that breaks, this will break out. This could get to 28. NASDAQ is on the cusp. Look at this. That 38 would have worked. My stop was too small. We're back up to 1,600 buyers in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is going to have to come through about 55. Anybody in copper? Long. Anybody in copper? Long. Okay.
Stop filled.
Okay. Out. And if we fail here, this may be worth the short again. Below yellow. Can't break yellow. There's your short. Should come down to maybe 500. And then, get it on a runner. If NASDAQ gets above 54, it's going up to 60. Above 54. If it pulls back into 38 again, I think that's your entry. There's your 500 target if you took the short on Kappa.
Order submitted.
Guys, anybody have any questions?
Order canceled.
Any questions? Copper's worth a long again. You know, we're just slopping it in a small area.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Got to break yellow. Got to come through here. 2620 and then 50 and it'll blow up. So just understand, what's got to go. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys. Come on, Kappa. Come on, Kappa. NASDAQ, if we get above 54, we're going. I mean, it's trying, guys. You've got 1,500 net buyers, got buyers in the candle. It's going to give you a long signal momentarily. Copper failed. Come on, get through yellow. If this gets through yellow, it's going to get to about 50. And through 50, it's going to blast off. We got a long on the breakout, so no freezing that time. So I'm saying it doesn't do it every time. You do, Brad, based on order flow. I'm talking about the candles. Guys, we're almost got to take this second swing at 50, and copper can break out. A close above yellow will probably do it. So if anybody is in copper and you want to take 150, 200, it was up 300. If you want to take ticks, This yellow is the problem. We got to get a close above Pam's yellow. If we do, this will go. If not, it's going to fail. So trade them as you see fit. Okay? Okay, Chris. See you tomorrow, man. Guys, we're coming into the top of the hour. So Europe is closing soon. This is where we get usually pretty slow. And if we're going to get pullbacks, I would expect some short covering here in copper. NASDAQ through about 53 on the candles will give you a signal, but you have a close above VWAP, so you're, based on what I teach you guys in order flow, you're long. Copper is so close. All right, we got to close above yellow. Anybody in copper? This swing has to break to do anything. This is the breakout indicator, Luis. You got two swings here, 1 and 2. If we get through that 50, this thing is going to bust up. If it keeps trying, there it is. Whoop, hit my target. There it is. It's through 50. All right, so let's turn the trail on and just let that go. You got 500 if you're in it. Anybody in 600 in copper? Anybody in copper? Or anybody in copper? Okay, Eli. Okay, a few of you guys. Well, I'm going to move it all the way up to break even at this point, and I'll hit close from here. I'm not giving them back much. I mean, we came through. I don't want to see it. Yeah, that's about it for me. I want to see blue pretty quickly here. Come on. There we go. I meant green, but next target maybe 40. Let's call it 25. I headed this swing here at 45. All right, I'm out. I'm out. I closed it. I'm out. We'll leave that on. Really slow day, guys, in the market. It's just a slow day. Let me see what volume is. That's 13% above our average 3-month daily volume, but good Lord, the way we're trading, you wouldn't know it.